If your dates aren't sorting correctly in Excel, there's a chance they're not actually being read as dates. And that's a bigger problem than it sounds, because reports, summaries, and automations can all break if Excel doesn't recognize your dates properly. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check if your dates are wrong and how to fix them. If you appreciate this type of content, tap that like button. Here are a few examples. 1/10/25, 2025 1/10, 2025 10/1, 2/30 2025, and 1/30 2025. Now, at a glance, these might look totally fine, but Excel could be treating some of them as plain text instead of actual dates. Here's the quick way to check. Add a filter and check the drop-down arrow in the header. If everything falls neatly under a year with month and day drop-downs underneath it, then it's a real date. Anything that doesn't fit into that structure means Excel wasn't reading it as a date in the first place. Now, there are 3 usual reasons why this might happen. 1, when data moves between systems, it can get stored as text somewhere along the way, and the next system never realizes it was supposed to be a date. 2, the order of the month, day, and year can get mixed up between sources. 3, sometimes it's just not a valid date to begin with, like February 30. Now, the fix is text to columns, as you'd probably guess. Just know that you may need to run it in a few separate groups if some of your dates are in a different order than the rest. Once you're done, Excel will correctly recognize all of them as dates. For example, here we've got some with year first, some with month and date different. So let's fix all of that. And then at the end, we'll double check the filter again. And if everything's now organized cleanly under years, you're done. If there are still a few stragglers, that's a sign to verify those individually. Now that your dates are actually dates, your formulas and reports will work the way they're supposed to. This whole fix takes a few seconds, but it makes a real difference in how reliable your data actually is. In the next video, we're talking about why remove duplicates might not work and how to fix it.